Hello guys, it's Frally and Points on the board here. I am Frally.
And I am Points.
And we are on the board. From behind. Look at that booty. Ow. Look at that booty. Ow. That booty. Ow. Excuse me. Okay guys, let's carry on with our day then, shall we? We're already in a party, so, you know, because I set it up without even...
No, because I told you to.
No, you did not! How rude of you to say that! He was like, oh, we need to do the arcade park when we finish it. I got up to the 5th checkpoint. Oh, he got up to the 3rd, and he started like 5 minutes before me. I was busy on a different server, again, Mineplex. Doing some speed. I failed, apparently. Why is we... Oh, I was first than I was busy on Mineplex playing some speed builders. I just got stuck. Bam! Get news first again. Look down here, guys. I was second. That's good. Good point. He just runs around backwards. Backwards good simple. Retreat. Oh god, I was nowhere near it. Retreat. I was second again. Woohoo! Exit other players. I want to get this nappy guy off. Oh, I fed him cookies instead of wheat for some reason. So therefore I get second again. Oh, I know how to do this one. It's like pork chop, potato, and steak. My game's so glitchy. First! Grizzly game second. Wait, does this mean I'm gonna like move up into first? Cookie. Oh wait, I don't know how to do this. Coke, beans, wheat. I don't know how to do it, so punching the dragon egg. Did I just poke it off the map? Am I gonna win because of this? I won because of it. I won because of that. Point. You do realise whacking makes you fail. Yep. Here we go, people. Let's go. Jump high, people. Let's go. Santa says winner #4. Wait. This thing just predicted the future. It says that I won in the chat. It says Santa says winner #4. I came 5th in that one. My thing is so laggy right now. I'm not even gonna finish. I'm so bad at this one. Hello? Potion work.
You gotta eat the chicken thing.
Have I?
The cooked chicken. Yeah.
It's raw.
The chicken.
Really? Because you didn't seem to do it at all either. Someone got killed, noob. You didn't finish apparently. Yeah, I died. Did you die?
No.
Oh, my game just really glitched a bit. Points is like 10 right on your tail. You won! Wait, you won something! Second! It's Frally, your boy. By the way, we're just going to be doing a load of like mini games. We're going to be doing Slash Up. And we're literally going to be doing a marathon because I'm going to record the first half and he's going to record the second half. This yeah, let's do something which I'm just going to let Points just guess on, I guess. This one. Points has played it with me.
Oh, yeah.
Fun hunt. I want to be an animal because I love like hiding in a really sneaky spot where no one knows about. Just kidding. I don't have anything that can change the world or anything like that. Like everyone will be like, "Oh my god, he's so good."
Are you?
Yeah, I'm an animal. What even animal? Oh, I'm a cat. I'm an ocelot. I'm an ocelot. I'm a now. Hello, chickens.
I'm a pig.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, wait, can I fit in these tiny gaps over here? Or is this like out of bounds considered? Oh, it's like got invisible blocks. I'm just going to try and get as far away from the middle as possible. Possible. Ain't no fault. I can't parkour up there. Okay, probably run. I'm going to try and look as much like an animal as possible. Okay, I can see some. I'm crouching as an animal. Oh my god! I've got on my screen and you can't tell if you're like an animal or not on my screen. So I look like a random popcorn bag just running around trying to pretend to be an
Right
animal.
here, I'm looking.
Oh, I have a really good spot actually.
What?
Somewhere. I'm not telling you just in case you get killed, which is probably likely.
I'm alive still. I've just pooped. I'm just here looking at myself like I'm in third person. I see someone coming.
Oh! I just ran straight past a hunter. Did he notice? He didn't even notice! Oh god, oh god.
Oh, there's a... Oh god.
I'm trying to look like not suspicious.
There's a horse getting attacked right by me. On the left hand side of my screen, there's a horse.
Oh, the guy in our last game did it! That guy, no. I'm a random derpy popcorn bag, do not kill me.
Oh, there's a hunter right by me. Oh, he's just right back. He didn't see me.
It's probably because he was chasing me.
No, he basically looked at me and went.
People have left me alone now.
I know. People left me alone.
I want to change my animal.
I wouldn't.
Why not?
Because if you do it right in front of a hunter, they see it and they know who it is. Oh, there's a chicken that turns
No! Wait, so you're a pig, right?
Pardon?
You're a pig, right?
Right by me, the chicken turns up into a cow and the hunter just ran past him like he wasn't there. Oh, that was good.
I didn't find any pigs looking suspicious.
There's hunters that are just right by me.
This one's looking at the hunter, but he's like, not even, anyway, I thought that was you, because he was like, there's a hunter walking right past me. I thought that would be, you.
No, don't do that.
Okay, I need to find a pig now, like, I'm just gonna hit every animal in front of me. I'm just gonna shoot this chicken.
No!
I just saw where you died! I'm literally just gonna teabag where you died.
Right next to me.
Really? Oh my god, so unlucky.
Right, where was I hiding? Was I hiding? Wait, can you remember when I was where I was? Oh, there, on there. One of these cows.
Okay, points, I'm with you. I'm trying to help find this cow.
Was this where I died?
No, you died right in this corner, right over here, points.
Oh, yeah.
I literally was right about to kill you, and then someone else did.
One of these cows is fake, I swear. Because I saw them run. Running. I saw them run, and they just went. This guy went here, and he was a chicken. He might be a chicken. And he went there, and he just changed into a cow. And he did, and they didn't actually, and they actually didn't see him. Then he caught it, and they killed me.
Yeah, I know. I watched it. I watched it from afar. Well, I'm gonna go up to the top of this barn because I know that like quite a lot of them like to do parkour.
Yeah.
Okay, I see a very, very suspicious looking ocelot indeed. Wait, that's not someone? What? I could have sworn I was certain.
Franny, you know when I said I was a pig?
Yeah.
I never actually was a pig. I was only a pig until I changed into a cow like right at the start of the game.
I'm just blowing all them up. I feel like there's going to be one upstairs in this barn, like doing parkour and stuff. Oh, this wolfie looks very suspicious. I'm just trying to look out for suspicious looking animals. Okay, that's very, very suspicious.
Manila.
Animal.
No,
Do you know what I want to do, points? For when I get Minecraft Realms once, like my new... Because I'm going to get like a credit card soon. Literally, we're going to do like a more hide and seek thing.
Wait, you want me to... I can't get rounds.
What do you mean? Realms?
Well, I can get
No, only the leader needs it. I searched it, don't worry.
You wait, what?
Only the leader needs to have it. Only the head of the realm. That's what I mean.
Yeah, no, but you need to try realms for free. Well, you need to get you don't need to buy a realm, but you need a realm pass to get in.
Yeah, and that is exactly what I'm. No, you don't need a realm pass to get in. It said only the owner of a realm needs it. Trust me. Mark my words. I have looked into this.
I don't trust you.
Okay, do you want to know what? We're doing something which I don't think have done on the channel. We might have done. I know I've done with points.
Hashtag Cox and Crips.
No.
Clipcraft.
How on earth? Oh wait, you saw it in the bottom left.
Did I?
Oh, okay. How on earth did you know then?
I know. I've done this on the video. I've done a video on this.
Have you? Oh, I didn't watch it. Oh.
Yeah.
That makes me sound like a bad person now. I made a video on it. Oh, I didn't watch it.
I did a video on it, but it was a bit glitchy, so I only got the second game in.
Oh.
I basically skipped the whole intro by accident. I don't know what happened, but it didn't actually record the intro. So then, hey guys, it's Brother Pot, and then I went, okay, right, I'm back. I basically went from one game straight to the other.
Really?
We didn't have enough players.
Wait, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna cut in the video until we're back. Bye. Hey, guys, we're back, and I'm gonna kill points right now. When the face get killed. There's another guy here. Ow! I just got a double kill straight off the bat. I'm joined first.
Are you?
Yeah. Well, I was, and then 2 hackers got killed. What the frig?
Okay?
What?
That is the goal.
That is both of our targets not to come last. And no.
Oh my god, I'm gonna come last.
This guy called Brack just got killed by me.
This guy called Point Report is actually rubbish.
Yeah, I know. Don't you worry. Hello, Points. Look at you. I was right behind you, but you couldn't see. I thought you saw because I keep forgetting that your skin is backwards. I see a speed boost. That could be useful in like a getaway. This guy killed me just before I got it. Come on, guy. You're such a troll. Guy, the ends are new, guys. Like a complete target.
I saw you die. I was like, you stuck right in front of me and going to try and kill you.
What? I'm sick of people just hacking these games. Oh, got shut down! Woohoo!
Franny, would you class the person that died behind me or not?
No.
What?
Hey, got another shutdown. Get ready.
You would class the person that's out behind me, yeah?
Yeah, I will count him. Don't worry. You could even beat someone else. Like you could beat 2 people. You could, if you got 1 more kill point, you wouldn't be that bad. Bam.
Can you let me just not come last? I'm not come last.
We can join. No, you didn't. Zedoy. You know that guy.
I came last.
Okay, guys, we'll have to end this part here. We'll be back with second part, like very soon, from Points' perspective.